They are ancient, they are diverse, and they are everywhere. Mollusks have conquered nearly every habitat on Earth, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, from freshwater lakes to the most desolate deserts. Their ability to adapt and evolve over hundreds of millions of years has made them one of the most successful and fascinating groups of animals in history. But what exactly makes these creatures so special? Why have they been able to thrive in such a wide range of environments? And how have they developed such extraordinary adaptations, from the ability to blend seamlessly into their surroundings to the astonishing intelligence of some species? Today, we embark on an exploration into the world of mollusks, uncovering their secrets, their evolution, and their critical role in maintaining life on Earth. From the humble snail to the incredible octopus, let's take a closer look at the marvels of nature that are mollusks. What exactly are mollusks? Mollusks belong to the phylum Mollusca, a diverse and vast group of invertebrates that is one of the largest in the animal kingdom. Scientists have identified more than 85,000 species, with estimates suggesting that the total number could be much higher, perhaps over 200,000 species. These creatures come in a dazzling variety of forms. They can range in size from microscopic marine snails to the colossal squid, which can grow up to an astonishing 14 meters, 46 feet, in length, making it one of the largest invertebrates on Earth. They also demonstrate a wide array of behaviors, from the slow, steady movements of snails to the lightning-fast swimming of squid and octopuses. Despite these vast differences, mollusks share a number of features that unite them as a group. These shared characteristics are the key to understanding their incredible adaptability and survival strategies. The basic features of mollusks. Mollusks, no matter how different they may appear, are bound together by a few distinct characteristics that define them as members of this group. 1. The muscular foot. One of the most distinctive features of mollusks is their muscular foot. The foot's structure can vary widely depending on the species and its lifestyle. In snails, the foot is used for slow and steady movement over surfaces, secreting mucus to glide effortlessly. In bivalves like clams, the foot is used to burrow into the sand and anchor them against water currents. And in cephalopods like squids and octopuses, the foot has evolved into a series of tentacles and arms that enable them to hunt, grasp, and explore their environments. 2. The mantle. The mantle is another defining feature of mollusks. This structure serves multiple purposes, including the secretion of a hard shell in many species, which provides protection against predators. The mantle also helps with respiration by allowing oxygen to flow through specialized openings in aquatic mollusks. In some mollusks, such as octopuses, the mantle is used for propulsion. By expelling water forcefully from a cavity in the mantle, they can jet propel themselves through the water at impressive speeds. 3. The radula. The radula is a unique feature found in many mollusks. It is a ribbon-like organ covered in tiny teeth, which mollusks use for feeding. The radula functions like a scraping tool, allowing mollusks to graze on algae, break down food, or drill into prey. In predatory species, like cone snails, the radula has evolved into a deadly weapon. Some species use it to inject venom into their prey, incapacitating them long enough to be consumed. Now that we understand the basic features of mollusks, let's take a deep dive into the most notable groups of mollusks and explore their remarkable diversity. The major groups of mollusks are divided into several distinct classes, each containing species with unique adaptations. These classes include gastropoda, bivalvia, cephalopoda, and others. Let's explore each one in detail. 1. Gastropods, the wandering mollusks. Gastropods are the largest and most diverse group of mollusks, with over 60,000 species. This group includes snails, slugs, limpets, and nudibranchs. Gastropods are found in nearly every habitat on Earth, from terrestrial environments to marine and freshwater ecosystems. The amazing diversity of gastropods. Gastropods display an incredible variety of shapes, sizes, and behaviors. Some are small and inconspicuous, while others are quite large, such as the giant African land snail, which can grow to over 30 centimeters long. They are found everywhere, on land, in freshwater, and in marine environments. Land snails and slugs are some of the most recognizable, while marine gastropods like sea slugs are often vibrantly colored. The evolution of the shell. Gastropods are often characterized by their spiraled or coiled shells. The shells of snails serve as a protective barrier from predators and harsh environmental conditions. However, not all gastropods have shells. For example, slugs have evolved to lose their shells entirely, relying on their slime trails for protection. Mucus, a secret weapon. One of the most unique adaptations of gastropods is their ability to secrete mucus. Snails and slugs produce this slime as a means of locomotion. The mucus reduces friction, allowing the animal to glide effortlessly across surfaces. It also has antimicrobial properties, protecting the gastropod from harmful microorganisms. Nudibranchs, the sea slugs. Nudibranchs are a subgroup of marine gastropods that are especially striking. Known as sea slugs, these creatures are often bright and colorful, showcasing vibrant hues of orange, purple, and pink. These colors serve as warning signals to predators, signaling that the nudibranchs are toxic or distasteful. Some species even steal stinging cells from jellyfish and incorporate them into their own bodies for protection. 2. Bivalves, nature's water. Filtration system. Bivalves are another prominent group of mollusks. This group includes clams, oysters, mussels, and scallops. Unlike gastropods, bivalves have two hinged shells, which they use for protection and movement. The role of bivalves in ecosystems. Bivalves are filter feeders, meaning they feed by filtering water through their gills, extracting tiny particles such as plankton and algae. This filtration process is vital to aquatic ecosystems, as bivalves help maintain water clarity and remove excess nutrients. For example, a single oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water per day, significantly improving the water quality in estuaries and coastal regions. Building complex habitats. Oysters, in particular, play a critical role in creating habitats. They form oyster reefs, which provide shelter for many marine species. These reefs serve as nurseries for young fish, and they protect coastlines from erosion by reducing the force of waves. Scallops, the mobile mollusks. While most bivalves are sedentary, scallops are capable of swimming. They achieve this by rapidly clapping their shells together, expelling water, and propelling themselves away from danger. This behavior allows them to escape predators, such as the predatory fish yellowtail. 3. Cephalopods, the masters of intelligence and camouflage. Cephalopods, which include octopuses, squids, cuttlefish, and nautiluses, are among the most complex and fascinating mollusks. Cephalopods are known for their remarkable intelligence, problem-solving abilities, and extraordinary camouflage skills. Mastery of camouflage. One of the most impressive traits of cephalopods is their ability to change color and texture almost instantly. This ability is controlled by specialized pigment cells called chromatophores. When a cephalopod senses danger or wishes to communicate with other animals, it can alter its appearance to blend into its environment. In addition to chromatophores, cephalopods also have specialized cells called iridophores and leucophores, which reflect light and help create metallic or iridescent effects, further enhancing their ability to blend in. Unmatched intelligence. Octopuses, in particular, are known for their problem-solving capabilities. They can escape from aquariums, open jars, and even use tools. This advanced cognitive ability is attributed to their complex nervous system and highly developed brains. In fact, the octopus has more neurons in its arms than in its brain, which gives the arms a certain level of autonomy and allows them to perform intricate tasks independently of the brain. Jet propulsion and speed. Cephalopods are also renowned for their speed. Many species can swim at astonishing rates, using jet propulsion to expel water from a specialized cavity within the mantle. This provides them with an effective means of escape from predators. Squids, for example, are among the fastest swimming animals in the ocean, capable of reaching speeds of 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. Mollusks have evolved some of the most incredible adaptations found in the natural world. Let's take a look at some of the most remarkable survival strategies. The mimic octopus is a master of deception. It can imitate other animals, such as lionfish, flatfish, and even sea snakes, in order to confuse predators. This form of mimicry helps the octopus avoid being eaten by potential threats. Regeneration. Many cephalopods, like octopuses, have the remarkable ability to regrow lost limbs. This is a vital survival strategy, as it allows them to escape predators and continue functioning even after suffering injuries. Deadly venom. Some mollusks, like the blue-ringed octopus, possess venom so potent that it can kill a human in minutes. Their venom contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that is 100 times more lethal than cyanide. The blue-ringed octopus, while small and beautiful, is one of the most dangerous animals in the ocean. However, despite the danger, it's not aggressive and only attacks in self-defense, demonstrating how nature often balances beauty with deadly precision. Mollusks in human life and culture. Mollusks are not only fascinating due to their biology and adaptations, but they also have an important place in human history, culture, and economics. From food to art, mollusks have been a part of our lives for centuries. Food. Mollusks are a major source of nutrition for humans worldwide. Oysters, clams, mussels, and scallops are considered delicacies in many parts of the world. In fact, oysters have been enjoyed for centuries, often regarded as a luxury food in many cultures. Octopus and squid are also popular in global cuisine. For instance, in Mediterranean and Asian cultures, dishes like calamari, fried squid, or octopus salad are staples. Pearls and jewelry. The pearl is perhaps the most iconic product derived from mollusks. Formed in the soft tissue of certain species of oysters and mussels, pearls are highly prized for their beauty and rarity. Throughout history, pearls have been symbols of wealth and status. The process of pearl formation begins when an irritant, like a grain of sand, enters the mollusk's shell. In response, the mollusk secretes layers of nacre, mother of pearl, around the irritant, eventually forming a pearl. This process can take several years, which is why pearls are so valuable. Medicinal uses. Beyond their role in cuisine and luxury, mollusks also have medicinal significance. Snail mucin, the slime secreted by land snails, is a key ingredient in many skincare products due to its anti-aging and moisturizing properties. It is packed with nutrients like glycolic acid, collagen, and hyaluronic acid, all of which help to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Furthermore, some mollusk species have been studied for their potential in medical research. For instance, certain species of cone snails produce venom that contains peptides that may have applications in pain management and neurological disorders. The future of mollusks. Conservation and challenges. While mollusks have thrived for millions of years, they now face significant threats due to human activities. Overfishing, climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution are all putting immense pressure on mollusk populations worldwide. Climate change. As the oceans warm, many marine mollusks are experiencing changes in their habitats. Warmer waters can reduce the availability of food and affect mollusk reproduction rates. Additionally, ocean acidification, caused by increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, is weakening the shells of many bivalves, making it more difficult for them to survive and reproduce. Overfishing. Overfishing is another pressing issue. The demand for mollusks, particularly oysters and clams, has led to overharvesting in some regions, endangering local populations. Coral reefs, which provide habitats for many mollusk species, are also being threatened by unsustainable fishing practices. Conservation efforts. Fortunately, efforts are underway to protect mollusk species and their habitats. Marine protected areas, MPAs, are being established to reduce the impact of human activities on mollusk populations, and sustainable farming practices for oysters and mussels are being promoted to reduce overfishing. Researchers are also studying mollusk populations to track their health and biodiversity, ensuring that we can take action before certain species face extinction. Conclusion. Mollusks, a testament to evolution's genius. Mollusks are an extraordinary testament to the ingenuity of evolution. From their varied forms, stunning adaptations, and significant ecological roles, they are not just fascinating creatures, but also integral to maintaining the delicate balance of life on Earth. They teach us about survival, adaptability, and the power of nature's creativity. They have evolved over millions of years, and though they may seem simple at first glance, they are incredibly complex organisms that continue to surprise and inspire scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. As we move forward, it is important to recognize the critical role mollusks play in our ecosystems and to work towards their conservation, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at these amazing creatures. Whether it's the slow-moving snail or the highly intelligent octopus, mollusks are living proof that nature's brilliance knows no bounds. Next time you see a mollusk, whether it's a simple garden snail or a majestic squid gliding through the deep ocean, take a moment to appreciate the marvels they represent. They've been with us for hundreds of millions of years, and with a bit of care and attention, they may continue to be for many more.